No way, Maddie. Have you seen what Maddie's done, Tiana, in the lab? Guys, slime round the hair. It's like a slime hairband.
Yeah.
We need some help in the lab, please. Mummy, to the lab and to the rescue.
Lemon juice.
Challenge, but this one is a special one because we've got all new colours, and my favourite ones in here is these three.
So they're the three you would like to pick?
Yes. So, well, the three I would like to pick is the yellow,
okay,
the blue, the purple.
Maddie? So both want the same colours? Wow, this is going to be interesting. Yeah. My favourite colour there is yellow, by the way.
Yeah, it's bright. The green's also really nice. And
okay.
I don't like green.
Well, good luck on the slime.
Okay, I'm picking first, so you can turn it around.
Oh, Tiana, you're the youngest. I just keep forgetting. Right, let's see what Tiana gets, guys.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay.
That's nice.
She had a hand on that one.
Did she?
Oh. You had your hand on that one. It's not Christmas.
Tiana, got Santa colours, okay, Maddie?
Wait, I know which one to choose.
You got to spin. Cover. Right, okay. You happy with your mixing, Tiana? So.
Okay.
Maddie, good luck. Ooh. Maddie!
And I'm starting with the greens.
I'm starting with the red.
You both got red. This is new glue. I've never used this before.
Oh, look, both got glitter in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Hard to come out of them tubes, aren't they?
Oh, that's what I can get out. Now, I'm not on to the next colour, but Maddie is. So I'm doing pink. That's going to take ages.
Yeah, it's going to be really difficult, Tiana. Let's take the lid off.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, that was a big bit. I've got to attack you. Just wait. Then you squeeze.
It's just like when you know, using tomato ketchup in the tubes of those.
Yeah. At Nando's.
At Nando's.
Okay, now I'm going to name this Christmas slime. Well, it might not turn out to be very Christmassy. Now we're on to our last colours. I'm doing yellow.
Maddie's got my favourite for what looks the best.
Ooh.
But you know when you put activator in, everything changes.
Yeah, but I've got green and that's still good.
Yeah. You might find, Tiana, just having two colours, yours might turn out the best. Even though yellow looks so pretty. Imagine having 3 yellows.
I wish.
That would be just a dream.
Come on! What's coming out?
You two need to calm down.
It's not coming out. It's just coming
Slime
out.
bubble.
Big bubbles. It's not coming out.
The best colour's not coming out, Mad.
Coming out. Oh, this will drop back. So now we're going to mix our colours and then it's time to activate. No idea what colour this is going to go. Probably not a very nice one.
Maddie's got a pink colour. which looks really pretty. And look at the smile on the face. Tiana?
Yesterday this was the other way.
That's good still, Tiana.
Yeah.
Give it a good mix.
Here's mine. It's got a lot of shades of green in it, so I'm gonna activate it. Here's mine, and I really like it because it kind of looks like fire-ish because of the red. Yeah, mine's brown. So I'm gonna activate it. Might change it a bit, I hope it does. I hope it changes it to something nice, really nice. I'm gonna activate mine. I hope it changes only a little bit. It might go purple. Oh yeah, you like purple, don't you? Because red and blue is better. Mine, I don't really know what the colour is.
Well, you still need some mixing going on there, Tiana, don't you?
It's very weird. It's got a little blue in it. Like just the shades of blue. That's weird, but I like blue, so I'm happy with my blue.
Are you?
Yeah. I would be. Just like yesterday, because I got like a greeny colour and you got a pinkish purple. Yeah. Here's mine so far. I don't know what this reminds me of. It reminds me of mermaids.
Mermaids?
Yeah. Here's mine. I don't really know what this reminds me of. Cotton candy, unicorns. Unicorns. There's only a bit of activator left.
We'll have to top it up then if you need it. We've got some more. Activator, please, to the Science Slime Lab, Mummy!
She got to slide us on straight away.
Activator, please, to the Science for Slime Lab, please!
No!
Come on. Yes.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, gooey.
Look at the colour of mine.
Oh, Tiana, that is nice now.
Yeah.
The colours turned out good.
Yes.
You should be happy. It's like turquoise.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's
Feeling
like
better?
what Isla made.
Yeah, that was like Isla's. And Maddie's is cool.
Yes.
You're going to put slime up your arms.
This is so pretty. It feels really different compared to the other one. It feels like what we made yesterday because of the different glue. I don't know. I like it, but it just feels different. I've never felt slime like this before. It feels watery, but it's not. But it's not. Maddie lost so. Oh, you need a lot more kneading. Mine's nearly done. I'm going to empty mine out in a minute, I think. Yeah, but remember, this was green and red. You lost a bit again. I know. Well, Maddie would like that colour because her favourite colour is purple, I think. Guys, watch it when I bring it up. Look at all the different colour glitter in it. There's pink, yellow and green. Pink, yellow, yellow. That's a bit weird. Random, but I like it. Mine has pink, yellow and green and purple in mine. I'm getting this everywhere. I'm going to take mine out. Okay, I'm going to start to get it out. That looks so cool. And guys, this slime is not like licky slime, but it's very stretchy though, as you can see.
Wow! Look at that, man! She's got it in her mouth and the first.
Maddie washed her hair before the video.
Tiana, pull that last string up on Maddie's hair, look, there. Oh, it's dangling. Saved. Wow.
Maddie, there's some purple. Oh, it's getting all over me now.
You two, look at the lab. It's all over the table.
Well, it's maybe on Maddie's side. I kept running the ball until it's completely ready.
Maddie, have you seen your arm? Lift the arm up, look at that.
It keeps on going on me. I'm moving my chair up. It looks like Squidward.
Squidward!
I know what it looks like. It looks like a pearl shell thing. The pearl shell.
Oh.
Idiot. I can't get back on the chair because I got slime all over me. I don't want to.
Squidward. Squidward, SpongeBob, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it's not SpongeBob, but it's from SpongeBob.
Soon after.
So here are the slimes that we have finally made, and these are good, but they're not like ASMR time because you can't click it like that. It's just if you want to make bubbles, then yeah,
It's good. It's stretchy.
it's really stretchy and it's good for swirls and stuff.
Mine's still just a little sticky.
Yeah, mine just sticks to the table, but it doesn't stick to me. Oh, I love the colour of mine.
Hello.
Oh. Guys, if you think my slime has won, then put Tiana in the comments down below. And if you think Maddie's won, then put Maddie in the comments down below. I don't know, I like the colour of Maddie's and I also like the colour of mine. Sticky-ish. It's actually quite good. So yes, all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Love you all. See you soon. Bye. Got a big face.